What a great day to practice meditation. Whatever season, rain or shine. Before we get too involved with everything and occupy all of our time and energy today, let's wake up and practice some meditation. It's a great way to keep your mind clear, feel your creative juices, get blood flowing and literally take care of your heart. Studies show that in just 8 weeks, changes in the brain help you feel better, and all kinds of people actually start to experience the positive effects and benefits in a very short time. It's very simple. Sit comfortably in a chair. You can even use a cushion and sit on the floor if you want. Your back is straight and relaxed. All you have to do is breathe in and out and be still. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Close your eyes and tilt your head slightly forward. Put the tip of your tongue on the line between your teeth and your palate and begin counting each in-breath and out-breath till 10. When you finish counting, just observe the thoughts, feelings and sensations that may come and go without getting too involved. Stay focused, awake and present. When the timer sounds, move your head gently from side to side and stretch a little. Then go on with your normal day. Don't push yourself too hard, but if you are constant, in a few short weeks or months, you will start to understand more about meditation and feel its benefits. And even if things take time, you are definitely doing something good for yourself and others. Check out the website or go to Facebook and speak with John today. Learn about meditation and ask him all the questions you want. Now, that's what I call a great day.